So I'm going to try to start up the JB-Weld cylinder here. My patented starter. Oh, we got a kick out of it. We'll try full choke. It's making an attempt at least. Prime them a little more here. Oh, you should have choked it. Apparently I'm bending the starter tabs. At least we got a couple kicks out of it. So unfortunately, I'll show you what's going on here. These come on baby, focus. These tabs here that the tongs engage are bent. Apparently they don't like the rough treatment there from the steel. Originally the part was made of plastic, so I guess you'd have to call this a starting attempt failure. However, we did get a couple of kicks out of it, so if I can get the carburetor and everything worked out, I think we should be able to get a short run out of this thing. So, which is good. Hate to have put all this time into it and not get anything. So it changed from before. I JB-welded the coil right to it there to give it ignition, and bolted her down onto a steel angle there with the through bolts right through the solid block of JB there. Anyway, sorry I couldn't get it running. It'll be a few days before I can get at it again. At least it's warm today, up around 40 Fahrenheit. Yesterday when I was working on it, it wasn't so nice. It was like 15 or something. So anyway, that's the first starting attempt of the JB engine there. Show you the piston. Hopefully you can see the piston moving in there. Yeah, there you go. There's the piston pin. It's on exhaust. Comes up on compression. Still got compression, so when you got compression, there's hope you can get it running. Anyway, everybody have a good one for now. I will try again.